Thumbnails are YouTube Heaven's gateway because a good thumbnail increases the click rate of your video. Watch to the end of this video to know how to easily create thumbnail for your videos using your phone. Super easy. Using this thumbnail maker app, you get to do a lot of things. So join me as I continue doing that. First of all, you install the app on your phone, then you allow it to be able to use certain features of the app on your phone. So now this is the front page of the app. This is how the apps look like. It has a thumbnail maker, it has a channel out maker, cover maker. Any project you want to do, you can just simply do it with this app. So today we'll be talking about the thumbnail maker. I already have a video about channel art, so you can check that. But for now, let's talk about thumbnail maker. Yeah, how to create a simple thumbnail for your videos, that is using your phone. So this is the front page of the app. This is where you get to choose any kind of design or template you want to use for your video, that how you want your video to come out, like different templates you can make use of. So there are some you have to pay for before you can use them, while there are others you can use for free. The one that has crown beside it are the ones you have to pay for to be able to use them, while the remaining ones are the ones you can use for free. Now let's use the sample of the one they have here that is free and it's very easy and it gets the work done for you. So guys, I don't know if there's a need for me to pay, so let's continue. Now I decided to use this two template, but I think to create is just a simple thumbnail for this particular video, teaching you guys how to create a thumbnail. So imagine seeing that kind of thumbnail when you're passing by on the street of YouTube. Will you click on it? So let's try and create something creative that we can be able to use, and whenever you see it or you stumble on it on YouTube, you'll be able to click on it. So that's what we're creating. Now I decided to pick a particular picture that I already snapped. I intentionally snap the picture. Anytime you're creating a thumbnail for your video, make sure you intentionally snap that particular picture so it will rhyme with the concept of what you want to talk about. So in this picture I was pointing out something, so it's just like giving a direction that this item I'm going to be writing soon is what you will learn from this particular video. So if you are coming along, you understand that I'm only trying to point out the point. So I'll save that, and that's it to use it if that is all I want to do. But if that's not, then I will reopen the app, then click on the first page where I have different color to set my background color. But after doing that, I just have to click on one template. Then the next thing for me to do is to pick a picture as I did earlier. So I'll pick a picture for my gallery. Now I'm using a single template whereby I just want to create everything from scratch and also demarcate my picture and use it the way I have it, instead of dividing it or using a two-side template. So now I'm using a single template that is plain. So I only change the background color as you saw me doing earlier, and at this point I'm trying to add some stroke, but I think it's preferable without the stroke. I will not be using it, or it's okay like this. Okay, select a shape where you can write a text so it can rhyme with the background. You just have to be creative. You can see we have our text, we have colors, we have effects, we have shapes of all types. Anything you see the crown beside it, those are things you have to pay for to be able to use the app. But in this video we are teaching ourselves how to make use of this app without necessarily paying for anything, and you enjoy using it. So now I've picked this particular shape I will be using to cover the background, so I can preferably add a color to it that will rhyme with the color of the background of the picture I intentionally snap. So that's why I'm using the shape. So you can also be creative and do things around it. So now I'll be picking a particular color that will rhyme with it. I don't want the one that will be too flashy, and I don't want the one that will be too dark. So I think I'll be going with this blue. Yeah, let me make use of blue. Guys, if you're doing yours, just try to be creative and go along with the flow of whatever design you're creating. I think this should be okay because it's rhyming with the background. Background is kind of gold and shining. No, let me use the color of my clothes, like a color in the clothes I'm putting on. I think that would be preferable because it will also rhyme. Just do things that will rhyme and not be too color or causing color blindness, or just, you get my point. Don't do things overly, just do things minimally and enjoy the process of doing it. So I think this background color is okay, it's rhyming with my top. So the next thing for me is to use my text. I think the background color is okay. I'm done choosing that background color. Now the next thing I have to do is to use the text. Now these are the different fonts they have. So I will first of all type what I have to type, like what the contents I want to be on the thumbnail. So afterwards I will be choosing the font I want to use. So using the text and the font, it's good to use a bold font, something people can easily see, where either they are using their phone to watch a video or they're using their system, whichever thing they are using. So it's best to use something that will be easily seen. Yeah, so pick text font that will be easily seen. Now I cleaned it earlier just because I want to duplicate the thumbnail text. Like I want it to be very bold, but it's best if I break it down like in a third layer format, so it will be very very bold and easy to read no matter where you are seeing this thumbnail from or you are using to watch this video. So I think this font is better. Anyone you see crown, those are the time fonts you have to pay for, but for this particular one I don't think you have to pay for it. So I think this one is okay. So I'll just be picking the kind of color I want, either from the background or just any design I want on the text only. So after clicking on the text, I'll just swipe at the side, then I'll navigate around it and see different things I can do while using the text. Hope you get my point. So the next thing is the sticker. So you can pick a sticker. They have inbuilt sticker that you can actually use and also create something beautiful with it. So you just have to try your best and move around with it and whichever one you want. And there's some that you can't choose until you pay for it, as I said earlier. But I think I'm good to go with these few ones I'm even able to use. Yeah, tell me in the comment section if you're also good to go with this little font here, also able to use. Anyways, it's just helpful. It makes you create something quickly. Now I'm at the beauty and filter area where you can choose different beauty type for your picture. Have the beauty, artistic, fresh, food, different kind of filters I can easily choose, but I think this particular one is okay. I got it from the beauty side, but we have food, we have landscape, we have movie, we have portrait type of filters. So you just have to choose the one you will like. Choose the one you like, the one that will match the kind of concept you want to create for, then you save. Yeah, don't forget to save. Make sure you save immediately you're done. So that's it. That's how to use the app. You can see it's super easy and very very good to use. So you save as many times as you like. Well, and if you want to pay, this is the amount you're going to be paying for. Well, I think I'm okay using it without paying. So guys, I am Kaosarah Abdulfatai. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Comment below your thoughts. Peace out.